Through this video, I'm going to explain how we have organized our skills in the skills taxonomy. And one important point is that we focus more on the skills profile. So when we talk about a skills profile, what it means is there is much more to saying that I know Java, I know MySQL, and things like that. So let's look at some areas, and then you will get to know how it is organized. So, skills we treat as two different skills areas. One is the hard skills, which includes the knowledge of concepts, methods, processes, tools, technologies. Apart from them, domain expertise, activities, role, and certifications. In soft skills, we include cognitive skills, behavioral skills, traits, and also language proficiency. So let's look at one area and see how it is organized. Let's say we are going to cover software development. When we go to software development, what we are seeing here, so there is one thing in the skills profile, we also capture the proficiency level. And proficiency levels can be different kind of legend or the scale would be different, right? So that is also possible. So let's say we are going into software development. First, it gives you a listing of the various skills which are related to software development. As we can see, it could be of concepts like software development life cycle or data structures, agile methodologies, and also certain tools or technologies we can call programming languages or concepts related. So they are covered. So this also drills down to different areas. For example, we could go to data structures and go below them to understand the data structures under them. And likewise, wherever we have this symbol, it indicates that there are skills underneath the particular area. So apart from these skills, what we also cover is other things which are related to a skills profile in the software development area. For example, there could be in the software development people specializing based on certain type of software or based on technology or domain, the industry or function, and also rules. So it could be any of these. So let's take an example. Suppose we are talking about a type of software, right? So then there are different types of software, and the skills required for the different type of softwares also can be different. So of course there will be overlap, but it will also have some differences. So these are different types of softwares one could be doing work in or is expected to play in a particular role. And then here again, the skills are drilling down to what are the specific skills required for that particular area. For example, here we're talking about embedded software, and these relate to the skills. These skills relate to embedded software. Like earlier before, we could also go into different levels, right? So it could be in let's say real-time operating systems. So here we have seen the specialization based on the type of software. And then we could have also based on technology. So some people may be focused on front-end development or .NET stack or some in the LAMP stack, etc. And again, the skills required for them would be different, right? Of course, there'll be again, as I said, there will be parallel. But whenever a person selected one skill anytime, anywhere, it will show as selected, and the rating would be carried on to other areas, irrespective of whether they reach that skill from other path. Then we have the domain expertise. So it would have the various areas. So we want to understand what they have done, which industry they have been developing software for. Then we have the role. So this okay, the software in the software development there could be different roles like a software developer, lead, or a programmer, etc. So this could and this also will have activities. Now under roles we have the activities, and it defines saying what are the activities the person may have performed or is expected to perform. In all the cases, as I said, there would be a level of the ratings under proficiencies or understanding what they have been doing. And this proficiency legends can vary for the different types of skills, whether it's knowledge, whether it is tool, whether it is activity, and others. Uh, Once the hard skills are captured, we have the soft skills. So where we're talking about cognitive skills and other areas. For example, if somebody is going to create a skills profile for a particular position, they can also specify what are the skills they expect for a person. Maybe design thinking, and I want the person to be familiar. Like that, one can define what are the different cognitive skills which are required for the particular role, and likewise the individual can also build the skills profile by indicating the proficiencies for those skills. And this has the language proficiency, creative skills, personality traits, behavioral skills, and like you must have also done that. I would have some simple definitions. So this is the way it is done, and this structure can slightly vary from industry or a particular area, right? For example, if we take AI/ML, it would be slightly different because it's more focused. Let's take an AI/ML here. It could also be on the specialization in the area within AI/ML, whether it is machine learning, natural language, computer vision, or AI in robotics, and so on. And then again, here we have the domain, and here we get into some details saying that within AI infrastructure management, what are the different things they would have done or applications they would have applied their AI knowledge in. Like this, it covers. So we are trying to capture the skills profile in entirety and not just the skills. So we believe that the skills in the whole matters more than just the skill in isolation. Once we create the skills profile using the skills profiler, the output would look something like this. That's a quick view saying that what are the skills, and then also a tabular view where we have the skills and the proficiencies. So as we mentioned earlier, there are different sections to the skills of any profile or a person profile, and so that is indicated here. And so this then becomes the basis for our hiring, talent management, others. For we could have different applicants applying against the same business analyst role, and here we would have them also fill the same skills profile and give their what are skills they have and the ratings they have. In this process, what happens is we get a structured view of the skills and the on the proficiencies of the various applicants, and we are able to do a analysis of who is better off on what skills, etc. We can make those trade-offs very easily, and also look at the overall match to take decisions related to the fit for the particular job.